Hello everyone, welcome to the Designing Green Spaces activity, which will be the last activity we do for this quarter. And it really does build a lot on the previous activity, so hearkening back to what they did in M7 is going to be really important for this. So the goals here are to continue exploring taxicab geometry, and in particular taxicab circles. We also want to talk about, the importance of parks. We talked about it a little bit in M7, but like, how does culture affect how a park is designed or built? What would you like to see in a park? You can talk about those sorts of things and incorporate the culture into the activity. So to get started, we're going to recall that circles, in quotes here, in taxicab geometry don't look like circles. They end up looking like these diamond things. So here I have this circle of fire trucks around this park or this tree, and it is radius 4. Sorry, it is radius 4. And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of these fire trucks is distance 4 away from this tree in the taxicab metric. And we did a little bit of this in M7. It seems rather strange, honestly, because the way taxicab geometry is so, up and across, you would almost expect a circle to maybe look like a square instead. But that's not how it works because the corner of this square is so much further away than a point on the edge here. So circles, shapes where the edge of it are all the same distance from the center, look like these diamonds in taxicab geometry. So this would be good to review to start because this is important for what we want to do. So we're going to put this into practice we want to place a park in this grid of what we'll call neighborhoods, and we want to find its 10-minute walk radius. And so each of these sections is going to be 5 minutes. So let's maybe take our park here and we'll place it, I'll put it right there, and we want to sort of figure out what neighborhoods are within a 10-minute walk of this park. So I know that I can walk 5 minutes, another 5 minutes, there's 10 right there, so I know that I can get here. And I can do the same thing, 1, 2, that's 10-minute walk. And I can get here. And you can kind of see I'm sort of tracing out my sort of diamond circle sort of thing. 5, 10 minutes walk there, and rinse and repeat. And eventually you'll find that if you trace out the 10-minute walking circle around this park, you get a shape like this. And of course, you can also get, to these guys here in 5 minutes. That's even less than 10, so they are included. So all these neighborhoods are within a 10-minute walk of this park that I've placed. And so the next activity, we will start placing multiple parks, and we'll ask how can we get, these neighborhoods to be covered within a 10-minute walk of all these parks.